In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Microsoft OneNote. Whether you're sketching an idea, handwriting a quick note, or marking up your pages, the drawing tools in OneNote make it simple and flexible on Windows, Mac, and the desktop app. Start by opening the OneNote page where you want to draw. At the top of the window, switch to the Draw tab. This tab is your home base for everything ink-related. You'll see options for pens and highlighters. These are perfect for freehand drawing, handwriting, or underlining important parts of your notes. Before you start, choose the tool that fits your task. Pick a pen for writing or sketching, or a highlighter if you want transparent ink to emphasize text. Then select a color and adjust the thickness so your strokes look the way you want. Thicker strokes stand out for headings or bold marks, while thinner strokes are great for precise writing and detailed sketches. Take a moment to set this up now so your handwriting stays neat and consistent as you work. Now you're ready to draw. Use your mouse, a stylus, or your finger if you're on a touchscreen. A stylus often gives the most control for handwriting and diagrams, while a mouse works well for quick annotations. Just click or touch the page and start writing or sketching. OneNote treats your ink like a layer on the page, so it won't disrupt existing typed content. When you're done drawing and want to go back to typing, switch off the ink tools by selecting the Text or Type button on the Draw tab. This returns your cursor so you can click anywhere on the page and continue with normal text input without accidentally adding more ink. If you make a mark you don't want, erase it using the Eraser tool on the Draw tab. Select the eraser, then drag over the ink strokes you'd like to remove. It targets ink, so your typed text and images are left untouched. For cleaner diagrams, you can also draw shapes or straight lines. If the Shapes tools are available, choose the shape you need, like a line, rectangle, or circle, then drag on the page to place it. OneNote can also tidy up rough shapes you sketch. Use features like Draw and Hold. Draw the shape, then hold your pen or finger in place briefly. OneNote will snap it into a cleaner version, which is great for quick flowcharts, boxes, or perfectly straight lines. That's all you need to start drawing in OneNote with confidence. Experiment with pen colors and thickness to build a visual style that keeps your notes clear and memorable.